Hello, I am Anil Kumar Joshi, Chartered Accountant, associated with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India as a career counselor. Today, we shall understand how and why to choose Chartered Accountancy course as a career option. The Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is a statutory body established by an Act of Parliament with effect from 1st July 1949. So, almost 74 years have elapsed since its formulation. The Institute is a partner in nation building, and chartered accountants are a bridge between the people and the government. This chartered accountancy course helps achieve economic well-being, good social stature, reputation, and is an attractive career option. This Institute of Chartered Accountants of India is the second largest accounting body in the world in terms of number of students and number of members. Now let us address who can do who is eligible to become a chartered accountant and how to join this course. There are two routes. One is foundation route, another is direct entry route. A student of class 12, irrespective of science, commerce, arts stream, can register himself with the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India for the foundation course on or before 1st July or on or before 1st January. Those who register on or before 1st July can appear for the foundation course exam in November, and those who register themselves on or before 1st January can appear for the foundation course exam in the month of May. There are 4 papers in the foundation course. The first is accountancy, second is business law and English, third is maths, statistics and reasoning, and fourth is economics. The first 2 papers are subjective and the second 2 papers are objective and have the negative marking. The first paper, accountancy, is a simple accounting, debit and credit. It is not at all a difficult subject. It is not at all a trigonometry or calculus or something rocket science. In simple, 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Second subject is a business law, in which you are taught this one contract act or partnership act, and not complete portion of those acts, some sections of those acts. And the English language, 40 marks English language is there, and that English language is also not very tough. It is based on some active, passive and essay writing, passive, all these up to the 12th level only, and maybe the below than that also. The third is mathematics and reasoning, and fourth is economics. So a student must score 40% marks in each paper and in aggregate 50% marks in the course to pass this examination. After passing this examination, a student can register for the intermediate course. There are 2 groups in the intermediate course, each having 4 papers, and after passing either or both groups of intermediate, a student must enroll himself for the 3 years practical training with a practicing chartered accountant. And a student who enrolls himself for the practical training of 3 years, that is known as articleship, minimum 90,000 per annum the stipend is given to the student. So while you learn you are earning at the same time. After passing the both groups of the intermediate, before the 8 months of the completion of your 3 years practical training, a student can appear for the final examination. In final examination, again 2 groups are there, having 4 papers each. In the 4 papers, this accountancy, taxation, costing, and there are some other subjects, 4 papers, and the strategic management, the international taxation, all these economics, all these subjects are there. In the final exam and the final group or final of the CA course, you are required to have a bit advanced or expert knowledge of the subject. And in intermediate, only the working knowledge is required. And again, the final, the 40% marks in each paper and 50% in aggregate, you must score to pass the examination. Overall, it takes 3 years or 4 years, 3 years practical training and 1 year more. Approximately minimum 4 years are required to do the chartered accountancy course. After doing the chartered accountancy course, you can go to the industry where the 6 lakh, 5 lakh or 10 lakh, 12 lakh per annum initial remuneration is available. You can go for the practicing your profession. You can be entrepreneur, you can be consultant, or you can be the expert or service provider, or you can the jobs are easily available in the market. So there is another route for the doing the chartered accountancy course, that is a direct entry route. And then in direct entry route, a person who is graduate, if he is a graduate from the commerce stream, then he must have scored 55% marks, and if he is from other than the commerce stream, then he must have scored 60% marks in the graduation. Then he can join directly the CA course without appearing for the foundation course, and in that he can himself directly enroll into the intermediate course, has to complete the 3 years practical training, and can immediately he can start the training. Also, he need not pass the intermediate examination to enroll himself for the articles of training. What I want to emphasize here is that this CA course complete from foundation to final course requires approximately 77,000 rupees fees, and while undertaking this one practical articles of training, you earn 90,000 rupees. So you earn more than what you spend for the fees in this course. If you compare this professional course with your other science stream courses or management courses, if you go to IIT or go to BITS, you are required to spend at least 1,50,000 or so per semester in the engineering course. You are required the same amount of fees in your MBA courses from IIM or any other renowned MBA colleges or institutes, whereas you are incurring simply 77,000 for the complete chartered accountancy course. So this is the cheapest professional course available in the market, having the much more what you call that the opportunities in the field in market. Secondly, there is a myth in common man that this course is a very tough course. This is very difficult, onerous course. The institute is keeping result very low, so students are passing very few numbers, and students are deliberately being failed in the course. This is absolute myth. I am associated with the institute as in other capacities also. With the examination process, I can assure that there is no such thing at all. the nobody is deliberately being failed in this exam. If you have studied a bit, if you put in small hard work, then nobody can stop you from the qualifying this exam. This is the, if I say that this is one of the easiest course also, then it is not a hyperbole. It is not a hyperbolic statement at all. Believe me that it is not as difficult course as it is being propagated or it is being spread in the market. Those who do not put in hard work, those who do not put in their focus into the studies only blame the system that it is tough and difficult and it is very hard to do this course. And this is very job oriented course also. So people who do not have much wherewithal can certainly join this course and have a good life in future, good career in the future. Thank you very much. That's all. Bye bye.